New at 10, health officials in multiple states are warning dog owners about a mysterious respiratory illness that's impacting dogs. Tonight, we're hearing from the Arizona Humane Society about what you can do to best protect your pet. 12 News journalist Bianca Bono is joining us live in studio with the details on this mysterious illness. And Bianca, what are you hearing?
Karibi, there's been a lot of talk about this illness on social media in recent weeks. The Arizona Humane Society has not seen any of these cases firsthand, but they say there's no harm in being proactive.
This is Khloe Kardashian.
For Marco Santiago,
This will be Dolcini.
his 3 Pomeranians are his babies.
They are my kids. We have one boy and 2 girls. They're 4 years old and they're spoiled. They're the family kids.
Which is why he's taking the news of a mystery dog illness seriously.
It's very important to get knowledge and know what's going on.
It's something that they haven't found before. It is new.
Dr. Melissa Thompson is the Vice President of Animal Welfare and Medical Services with the Arizona Humane Society. She says research shows that this new respiratory illness dates back to the summer of last year.
With this illness, they display a lot of the same clinical signs that we would see with our what we call kennel cough. They might be coughing, they might have some runny nose, some runny eyes. What we're seeing, which seems a little bit different with this new disease, is that they tend to be a lot more lethargic.
Thompson has not seen any cases in canines firsthand, but says as of last week, Arizona State Veterinarian reported 2 confirmed cases, noting both of the dogs had recently been in Oregon, a state seeing the worst of the outbreak.
What we worry about most is are these cases turning into pneumonia.
Thompson says the mystery illness is spreading through close contact with other dogs, and the most at-risk groups are puppies, senior dogs, and dogs already struggling with health issues.
Besides vaccines and overall health, we probably want to limit their exposure to other dogs that we don't know. We still want to be going out for walks, maybe not meeting all the dogs on our walks, but we want to get out there and get some exercise.
So Thompson says don't panic, but you can be proactive. Advice dog lovers like Santiago plan to listen to.
They're part of the family, so we just can't ignore things like this.
And experts are currently working to determine the specific cause of this illness. But in the meantime, if your dog shows signs like excessive coughing, is acting more lethargic, or has lost their appetite, be sure to contact your veterinarian. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
All right, great advice for pet owners. Bianca, thank you.